Yeah, Kolo Yahweh Shem Yahushai. Shalom to the house of David, the 144,000. By after we're down to one-third men, women, children, party elect. The 12 tribes of Israel, you blacks, Latinos, Native Americans. Well, basically, we're preparing breakfast through the spirit. Here we have red kale. You know, it's hard to get this. It's way more expensive than the green kale. Way more expensive, but it's good stuff. So the purple royal kale. We have the spinach, carrots, apples. That's for breakfast. You know, and strawberries too. Low on some ginger. Through the spirit. That's gonna be the breakfast. We're preparing breakfast now. Low on shalom. I call this Nature Hates Esau. Rothschild killer drinks. You can see the different colors. You can see it too much on the. See the different colors. It's like green. You can tell from the top. Green. Because nature does hate Esau. Because scriptures say, Joel 9:24, the earth is given to the hand of the wicked. We also put gingers and strawberries on this one. It's good stuff, man. Nature Hates Esau. Rothschild killer drink. One that's going to be breakfast. Shalom.